Your face become oily just a few hours after washing it? Are you constantly dealing with pimples, blackheads and breakouts that keep coming back? Your problem may not be that your skin produces too much oil. It may be that you are unknowingly damaging your skin barrier. In this video, I will show you exactly how to control oily skin and prevent breakouts. Oily skin can be frustrating. You wash your face in the morning and by afternoon your skin looks shiny, your makeup starts sliding off and new pimples appear. But here is the truth. Oil itself is not your enemy. Your skin actually needs oil to stay healthy. The problem happens when your skin produces too much oil. Pores become clogged, bacteria multiply and inflammation begins. Today, I'll explain the real reason behind oily skin and breakouts, the common mistakes that make it worse, and the best skincare routine to help you achieve clearer, healthy skin. Now, first, understand why your skin is oily. Before we talk about fixing oily skin, you need to understand why it happens. Your skin has tiny glands called sebaceous gland. This gland produces sebum, which is a natural oil that protects your skin and prevents dryness and keeps your skin barrier healthy. However, some people naturally produce more sebum because of genetics, hormonal changes, stress, certain medications, using harsh skincare products, poor skincare habits. When excess oil mixes with dead skin cells, dirt and bacteria, it can clog your pores, which creates the perfect environment for blackheads, whiteheads and acne. Now stop overwashing your face. One of the biggest mistakes people with oily skin makes is washing their face too much. You may think, if my skin is oily, I need to remove all the oil. But stripping away all the oil can actually make your skin worse. If you constantly remove your natural oils, your skin can become dehydrated and confused. Your skin barrier becomes damaged and your body may respond by producing even more oil to protect itself. Instead, wash your face twice daily, morning and night. Use a gentle cleanser that removes excess oil without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. Avoid harsh soaps that makes your face feel squeaky clean. Now, use the right ingredient for oily skin. The right ingredient can make a huge difference. When managing oily skin, here are some powerful ingredients to look for. 1. Salicylic acid. BHA. Salicylic acid is one of the best ingredients for oily skin and acne-prone skin. Unlike regular exfoliants that only work on the surface, salicylic acid can penetrate deep inside your pores. It helps remove dead skin cells, reduce clogged pores, and prevent breakouts. It is especially helpful for blackheads, whiteheads, enlarged pores, excess oil. However, don't use it excessively. Using it every day may irritate your skin. Then we have niacinamide. Niacinamide is a skin-loving ingredient that helps regulate oil production, strengthen the skin barrier and reduce redness and improve uneven skin tone. It is gentle enough for many skin types and works well with other skincare products. Then also benzoyl peroxide. For people struggling with acne-causing bacteria, benzoyl peroxide can be helpful because it reduces bacteria responsible for breakouts. However, it can be drying, so introduce it slowly. Then stop skipping moisturizer. Many people with oily skin avoid moisturizers because they believe moisturizer will make them more oily. This is a mistake. Even oily skin needs hydration. When your skin becomes dehydrated, it can produce more oil to compensate. The key is choosing the right moisturizer. Look for lightweight formulas, gel moisturizers, non-comedogenic products. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, a good moisturizer helps maintain a healthy skin barrier, which is essential for controlling breakouts. Next, sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. If you have oily skin and acne marks, sunscreen is one step you cannot skip. Many people treat pimples but ignore sun protection. UV rays can darken acne scars, increase hyperpigmentation, cause uneven skin tone, slow down skin healing. Choose a sunscreen that is lightweight, oil-free, non-comedogenic, suitable for acne-prone skin. Apply it every morning, even on cloudy days. Avoid these habits that trigger breakouts. Now let's talk about everyday habits that may secretly be causing your breakouts.
Mistake 1. Touching your face frequently. Your hands carry bacteria, dirt, and oil. Constantly touching your face can transfer this onto your skin and increase irritation.
Mistake 2. Not cleaning your phone. Yes, your phone touches your face every day. The dirty phone screen can collect bacteria and oil that may contribute to breakout. Clean your phone regularly, especially the area that touches your cheek. Mistake 3. Sleeping with makeup on. Leaving makeup overnight can trap oil, bacteria, and dead skin cells, increasing your chances of clogged pores. Always remove makeup before sleeping. Mistake 4. Using too many products. Many products do not always mean better skin. Using too many active ingredients can irritate your skin barrier and trigger more breakouts. A simple routine done consistently is better than a complicated routine your skin cannot tolerate. Now, how to build the perfect oily skin routine. Here is a simple routine for oily acne-prone skin. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Step 2. Niacinamide serum. Optional. Step 3. Lightweight moisturizers. Step 4. Sunscreen SPF 30 or higher. Night routine. Step 1. Remove makeup or sunscreen. Step 2. Gentle cleanser. Step 3. Acne treatment such as salicylic acid depending on your skin need. Step 4. Moisturizer. So now, lifestyle changes that help reduce breakouts. Your skincare products are important, but your lifestyle also affects your skin. Some habits that support clearer skin include: drink enough water. Hydration supports overall skin health. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can increase stress hormones, which may contribute to breakouts. Manage stress. Stress can influence oil production and inflammation. Eat a balanced diet. Some people notice their acne improves when they reduce highly processed foods and focus on nutrient-rich foods. Oily skin is not something you need to fight aggressively. The goal is to balance your skin, protect your barrier, and use ingredients that support healthier skin. Remember, clear skin does not happen overnight. Consistency is what creates results. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more skincare tips, acne solution, and simple routine for healthy, glowing skin. And comment below, what is your biggest trouble? Oily skin, acne, dark spots, or enlarged spots? I would love to know. See you in the next video. Bye.